Hey guys, today's project calls for removing a door panel off of a 2019 Chevy Traverse. First thing you want to do is locate this rubber liner that's in the door pocket. Remove that, and that exposes two 7mm bolts that you want to remove, followed by another 7mm bolt right behind the door handle on the inside. Once you get those three removed, work your way down to the bottom of the door panel and you'll find yourself another 7mm bolt. There should be 4 total that you want to remove from the door panel. Next, using a pry bar, what you want to do is take your pry bar and start at the bottom of the door panel, and the goal right here is to get the bottom and the sides of the door panel loose and off the door. There are these body clips that hold on the panel. What you want to do is try and locate those and get them unattached from the door. Sorry, I don't really have a better explanation for this. It's just kind of a tricky thing to do. Taking a door panel off isn't the easiest thing in the world. And once you get the bottom and the sides free, it'll be hanging by the top of the door panel, and what you want to do is pull up and pick up the bottom of the door panel and kind of wiggle it upwards, and it should be free after that little fight. Sometimes it is a fight to get these door panels off. They're not all that fun. But once you get the door panel off, you'll want to locate the door handle cable. It's connected to the door handle, and what you want to do is grab yourself a pick or some sort of pry tool. Open the door handle using one hand and then stick your other hand on the back side and try and get that cable ball out from where it sits in the little door handle pocket. Then once you get that little cable ball free, it's just held in by that plastic black clip. You can push that and you'll be able to take that out, followed by a wiring harness that needs to be taken out too. Once you get those two things free, the door panel will be able to be taken off. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully it helped you out. If you have any questions, comment down below and I will answer them. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video, and check out our other videos. Thanks so much. Take care, and we'll see you in the next one.